Every year, a few hours of rain turn Gurugram into a sprawling network of flooded streets and traffic gridlock. This edition of Take 3 deconstructs the deep-seated issues of urban governance and flawed urban planning that are turning a natural monsoon phenomenon into a recurring man-made disaster. Shirin Pandita, Associate Fellow, Terry, explains how decades of unchecked, unplanned urbanization, the destruction of natural drainage systems, and the relentless replacement of green spaces with concrete have set the stage for this annual chaos. What are the specific urban planning decisions or lack thereof that have directly contributed to Gurugram's annual flooding crisis?
So think of it like a human body. We have lungs. If lungs choke, we collapse, right? Similarly, every city's drainage system is like their lungs. If the drainage collapses, the system collapses, the city would collapse. Historically, Gurugram's water runoff was from the Aravalis. During the monsoons, the water would come from Aravalis towards Najafgarh. And within that path, there were multiple bunds. Over a period of time, these bunds were surrendered to the wrath of urbanization. And second, Gurgaon was developed piecemeal. There was no linkage in between. And it lacked, Gurgaon lacked big time a master plan for drainage, which would integrate all this.
With climate change intensifying rainfall events, how can better urban planning help mitigate future flooding risks?
Climate change can be like turning on the tap, but it's the poor urban planning that clogs the drain. Let's face that first. Second, it's doing smart things, smart planning, reviving the water bodies, respecting the natural path, which was historically there. Second, go green, build green and cater to more green stuff over grey. Cities should be like sponges. If we keep growing cities and building cities like Tetris blocks, without any plan, every monsoon the game will be over for our cities.
What fundamental shifts in urban policy and governance are needed to create a resilient Gurugram?
It's not just Gurugram as a single entity that we are looking at. If we see it regionally, it is important to integrate the basic amenities, especially the regional master plan helps in that. B, it's important that we kind of see Gurugram, as a city that is a mega city. It will urbanize. We need to cater to the crisis as a full-fledged, planned, systematic approach to the problem, right? I mean, more plans like that would be good, and Terry can help you out with that for all the cities out there who are looking.